Hello students, in last session the question number 4 and question number 5 from the exercise 12.1 and the theory about areas of sector is completed. Now we discuss areas of segment, means the segment of circle. Segment of circle. Now first of all see the definition of segment. What is a segment? The portion or a part of a circle or a circular region or a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called segment of the circle. Again we know there are mainly the two types of segments, minor segment and the major segment. First we discuss about the minor segment. Minor segment. For that we draw a figure. Circle with center O. One chord and one arc is there. Take AB as a chord. AB, APQ is a minor arc and AQB is the major arc. Area enclosed between chord AB and minor arc APB is called segment, means the minor segment. Join O to A, O to B. AOB is theta, angle made by chord AB as well as minor arc APB is called minor segment. See the definition of minor segment, same repeated here. The portion or a part of circular region enclosed between a chord and minor arc is called minor segment. To find a minor segment, need area of OAPB, means the area of sector, and subtract area of triangle from the sector. Area of segment APB is equals to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Here R is the radius of circle. It is a formula to find area of segment. Segment means a minor segment. If simply written as a segment, we understood that it is a minor segment. Okay, completed the minor segment. Now we discuss about the major segment. Major segment. To understand the major segment, again draw one figure. One circle with center O. Chord AB O is center of circle, AB is a chord, APB is a minor arc and AQB is the major arc. The portion or a part enclosed between chord AB and the major arc AQB, this part is called major segment. Major segment. To find area of major segment, join O2A and O2B is radius. Theta is the angle made by chord AB or minor arc APB. Area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. The minor segment is APB and the major segment is AQB. Keep in mind how to find area of major segment. Area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. There is another formula to find area of major segment. Area of major segment AQB is equals to OAQB is the major sector plus triangle OAB. Area of major sector OAQB plus area of triangle AOB. It is another formula to find area of major segment. Okay. Now the semi-segment. Semi-segment is nothing but it is a semicircle or half circle or semicircle. Draw one diameter AB. APQ is semicircular arc, AQB is also semicircular arc. Both are called semi-segments. Area enclosed between chord AB means diameter and semicircular arc is called semi-segment. Semi-segment is also known as semicircle or semicircle. Now area of semicircle is equals to half of pi r square. Half the area of circle is called area of semicircle. The segment is completed here. Now the length of arcs. To understand this, draw one figure, two figures. Two circles, one for minor and major arc and another for semicircular arc. In both, O is center of circle. Here APB is minor arc. Angle AOB is theta made by minor arc APB. AQB is called major arc. Here we know AOB is theta, so that we are able to find this angle, complex angle 360 minus theta. And for a semicircular arc, AB is diameter, APQ, APB and AQB are called semicircular arcs. In the figure is a figure 1 and figure 2. In the figure 1, APB, arc APB is minor arc and arc AQB is major arc. In the figure 2, arc APB and arc AQB is semicircular arcs. Now there are different formulas to find length of arcs. First is length of minor arc is equals to pi r theta upon 180. Keep in mind the length of minor arc, where r is radius of circle and theta is the angle made by minor arc. Then length of major arc is equals to, the whole circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r minus the length of minor arc, 2 pi r minus pi r theta upon 180. Again there is another formula to find length of major arc is equals to, take the angle made by major arc AQB at center, which is 360 minus theta. Pi r instead of theta is 360 minus theta upon 180. It is another formula to find length of major arc. Then the length of semicircular arc, length of semicircular arc is equals to half of the perimeter of circle, half of the circumference, which is pi r. It is length of semicircular arc. Keep in mind the formulas to find length of arcs: minor arc, major arc, and the semicircular arc. The basic theory about the segment and the length of arcs is completed. Now we discuss some note about the segment or sectors regarding the areas related to circle. Let's see notes regarding the theory. First, circumference of sector or perimeter of sector. As we know, shape like this is called sector, where theta is the angle made by minor arc and rb the radius of circle. Circumference or perimeter of sector is equals to OA plus OB plus length of minor arc. OA plus OB is r plus r plus length of minor arc pi r theta upon 180. So that our formula pi r theta upon 180 plus 2r or d, it is circumference of sector. The area of sector where r is equals to radius of circle, theta is equals to angle made by arc. Made by arc means the minor arc. Then the second, area of sector. We know theta upon 360 multiply pi r square. Another formula is 1/2 RL, where L is equals to length of minor arc. Third one, to understand this knot, draw one figure for that. One circle with center O, AB is chord, is theta, R and R. Always triangle AOB is isosceles triangle because OA and OB are two radii. Next, if theta is equals to 90 degree, then triangle AOB is right triangle. If theta is 60 degree, then triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. Keep in mind. Now keep in mind the formulas to find area of triangles. Area of triangle is equals to 1/2 into base into height. Area of equilateral triangle is equals to √3/4 into square of side. Okay, is important notes regarding this chapter. Now see example from the textbook. Example number 2. On page number 228, find the area of the sector of circle with radius 4 cm of angle 30 degree. Also find the area of corresponding major sector. For that, draw one circle and mention the minor and major segments. Sectors. Circle with center O. OA and OB are two radii. APB is minor arc. AQB is major arc. The angle and radius of circle is given. The angle is 30 degree and radius is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Radius of circle is equals to 4 centimeter. R is equals to 4 centimeter. Theta is equals to 30 degree. First, area of minor sector OAPB is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, where theta is 30 upon 360 into pi. The value of pi is given 3.14 r square, which is 4 into 4. 0, 0, 3, 12 4, 3 3.14 multiply 4, 12.56. 12.56 divided by 3. The 12.56 divided by 3, we get approximate 4.19 centimeter square. It is area of sector. The first is completed. Now second, the area of corresponding major sector. OAQB is major sector. Area of major sector OAQB is equals to 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. 360 minus theta is 30 upon 360, pi is 3.14 and the radius is 4 into 4. 360 minus 30, which is 330 upon 360 into 3.14 into 4 into 4. 0, 0 cut. 3 11 3 12 4 3 11 multiply 12.56 upon 3. Multiplication 13816 means 138 upon 3. 138 upon 3 is divided by 3. Here is the point, means our answer is 46.05. 46.05 centimeter square is the area of major sector. Hence both areas are obtained, minor and the major. Area of minor sector is 4.19 centimeter square and the area of major sector is 46.05 centimeter square. In this session, the theory about segment and length of arcs is completed and one example number 2 is completed. Now whenever we meet in next session, we discuss our next example, example number 3. If you have any query regarding the sum, please tick mark it very well.